What's up, everybody? I'm Horace with What to Sell on Amazon, the channel that teaches you how to buy and sell on Amazon. And of course, the purpose would be to get you some extra money, maybe change your life, whatever it is. That's what I do here. Me and my producer, Jim, we put together a lot for you. So if you're interested in that type of thing, please make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so that you can be notified when we come out with some more material. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share, leave comments, because we are here to change lives one lead at a time. Oh, a side note, if you happen to notice some squawking going on, there's a couple of birds that live here with me. I think their names are Blue and Blur or whatever. Some kind of birds, parakeets, or whatever. I know one of them bite. I can tell you that. So yeah, sometimes you might hear them, but real quick, before we get going, I had a comment, and I want to thank you guys who leave comments. But somebody had a question. They were saying, is right now a bad time of the year to get started? And I think the concern was that it's Q4, it's the end or whatever. The answer to that question is simple. You need to start now. Right now is the best time. Do not hesitate. Do not pause. Don't find a way to procrastinate, because you have to get started. This is a time type of deal. You have to get going so that you can get your momentum. This is a momentum based business. So the longer you wait, the less likely you'll ever get started. So right now is the best time. Don't get caught up in what quarter, and do not overanalyze. Watch what I do. Take advantage of what's going on, all the information, and get started. You know, if you look back, and Jim might put a link to this particular video where I went out to the store and did some retail arbitrage, when I normally do online arbitrage. And one of the things that I bought was some books. And here you can see I bought 3 of them. 2 of them sold. And, you know, so, and that was like a, whatever it was. If I paid $7.41 with tax, and here, if we take a quick look, here's where you can see the actual proceeds. I basically doubled my money. So, you know what I'm saying? So here's proof to you this stuff actually works. But the key there is work. You have to do the work. It's not just gonna happen for you. So that's that. And what else did I want to talk about? Oh yeah. On Slick Deals, I found real quick, and I'm always talking slick deals, so I found this Overwatch bunny pillow. I have no idea what that is about. I'll tell you, doing online arbitrage actually kind of helps you stay up with popular culture, because I don't know what's going on with all this stuff. But anyway, just real quick, they have a deal. This pillow, $7.50 over at GameStop. Here that pillow is on Amazon. They're selling it for basically $20. You only got one guy selling at FBA and he's back ordered. So you might want to jump into that. Now, when you use your revenue calculator that I teach, you can see I have to pay tax. By the time I get anything, I'm down to a profit of $2.16. Now, that may not fit your business model. You make the call. But another thing you have to think about, $2.16 per piece doesn't sound like a lot. But then you have to factor in how many are they selling a month. You figure they're moving 30 units a month, roughly. You're going to share that with the prime guy here. He's doing FBA, which is what we want to do. And so you could probably count on 10 of them anyway. So, and you add that to your whole inventory arsenal, and a lot of things are happening. You know, as you're making sales, you're building up your credibility with the marketplace, with Amazon. This is important. This is important as you start wanting to become ungated in certain categories and certain products. You got to put the work in. Don't sit around complaining that, oh, I'm restricted in this, I'm restricted in that. Well, what are you doing? Okay. Amazon will lift restrictions on you automatically on many products, but you have to establish yourself. You do that now. Focus on what you can sell. But this may not fit your business model. I just wanted to give you an example of how you go to Slick Deals. It's very easy. You look at things and you see what you can sell. But you'll always hear me talking about, encouraging you to go over to onlineinternetprofits.com or whattosellonamazon.com and sign up for the free video course. It's 12 modules. Me and Jim put it together, teaches you everything you need to know. And a great thing about that is when you have access to the members area, I give free leads. Let me see if I can find. This is what the free leads page looks like. So for example, I'm going to tell you, I'm just show you real quick what the free leads looks like. Right now you have 3 of them. The image itself, if you click that, that'll take you to where the deal is. So you can see the deal is on Amazon. You get this Waddle unicorn bouncer for basically $15. Now you can click there, or you can click the little hand, and that'll take you to the same place. Then you go over here and you can see the ASIN, and if you click on that, that'll take you to that listing on Amazon. Or you can click the little hand and it'll take you to that listing on Amazon. And there, now you have your estimated monthly sales. You only have one merchant fulfilled person selling that. That may change, whatever. If I didn't get that perfect, whatever. The point is this: you can see the rank, you can see what you're going to pay, you're going to see where the buy box is. On this product, you're going to make about $12. So somewhere in that neighborhood. And the point is this: if you're a member, you're getting this stuff without, I'm giving this away. This is my time. This is my energy. This is my effort for your benefit. Take advantage, guys. We're growing pretty quick. I mean, we're not breaking any records, but if you look at the number of people that are signing up and subscribing, the number is going up, and that's great. But I'm wondering, because not enough people, in my opinion, are taking advantage of what's available, in addition to the value we're bringing on YouTube. I mean, when you have, a complete, here's what your members area looks like. Totally free, never cost you anything. 12 video modules that talk about all aspects of selling on Amazon. I mean, yes, you do have to type in a few things, but let's go over that. It really isn't that much. Okay. So let's say you go to Online Internet Profits or What to Sell on Amazon. That's going to bring you to this page where you can sign up. It's simple. All you do is click that button, and then you put your name, your email address, you get access to everything. And no, I'm not going to spam you. You guys know, I ain't got time for that. I work a job. I ain't got time to be spamming you about nothing. Okay. Once you sign up there, then that takes you to this page, and you go ahead and follow the instructions. All you have to do is go to your email and verify your account. Then you're taken to this page where you create your account. And then once you create your account, then you're taken to where you can log into your account. And that's it. From there, you get access to the members area. And then you get these videos. So look at that. Ain't he fine? You can have all of that, and it's just out there for your benefit. That pretty much covers it, guys. And again, take advantage. This is for your benefit. I'm Horace, What to Sell on Amazon. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Make sure you like. Leave some comments if you have questions. I really appreciate it. I will answer them. You know, I want to know. Leave a comment below. Have you taken advantage? Have you signed up? Have you encouraged someone? Don't be selfish. Share this. This could change someone's life. We're changing lives, one lead at a time. I'm Horace. I'm out.